Ooh, I just love the smell of that. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to get into a little quick hack, and I will be showing y'all how y'all can take something from the Dollar Tree, mix it in from something from Walmart or Bath and Body Works, whichever one y'all want to do that fits your pockets. Great. But yeah, let's get into it. So I have this is from the Dollar Tree. I don't know what this smells like, but you'll see what I'm going to be doing with this. And then we have this right here. So basically this is the Dollar Tree brand of plug-ins. So I'm not sure how long this lasts for, or if it even has any throw to it, which is the smell in the room. So I'm not quite sure about this, but if you know, then please comment that down below. But we're going to be taking this and pouring this out and replacing it with the inside of this. And this is from Walmart. It is the Better Homes and Gardens, and this is the soft cashmere and amber. This smells so far, y'all. This is what I've been burning lately, and even with the wax melts, this is what I have been using. So let's get into the process of doing this. All right, y'all, so first things first, we are going to go ahead and open this up so that we can switch this out. I'm gonna smell it too. Wow, I have it right here because I don't know what it smells like. So let's see. Whew. I guess it's all right. Not really, y'all. I ain't into it. So we would have to get something to pop this off. Maybe, let's see. It might come out by itself. But be careful, you don't want this stuff all over you. Yeah, we're gonna have to get something to pop this off. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I was able to get it off just by sticking my scissors in between there and just popping it off. So I don't recommend this one from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna pour this out. I don't recommend that one, y'all. So once you pour it out, I'm gonna rinse this out and then go into the next process. All right, y'all, so I do have this cleaned and dried pretty much. It may be like a little bit, just small, not even that much, but it'll be all right. So then you want to take whatever fragrance that you like. Gotta pop this off too. This one, I believe, is pretty much easy to pop off. It's not as hard. Ooh, I just love the smell of that. Let me show y'all what it is again. This is fire, y'all. I'm gonna take this and you're just going to pour that in there like that. There is a difference between the two of these. The one from Walmart is glass, and this feels like it's just pretty much plastic. And then you are going to just basically replace the tops. I'm gonna take this and I'm going to clean this off some. Get rid of that old smell. And we're just gonna replace that, put that back on there, and snap it down. All right, the next step is we are going to open this up. I never used these before. This is the first time, but I got this idea because I've taken one from like a Yankee Candle one, their brand, and instead of going and replacing it with another Yankee Candle, there was a time to where I couldn't find one that I really liked. So I was at Walmart one day and I ended up smelling the ones from Walmart. I was like, oh, this really smells good. I'm going to try to see if I can swap them out. So this will work with anything, any brand. You can do this with Bath and Body Works. Basically, just swapping out the scents and putting them into its own container, in a sense, whatever it is you want to call it, and just replacing it back. So this is like the easiest and the cheapest thing to do, especially if you need like a little plug-in. So you can do this with the Glade, just any brand, any kind you can do this with. The Dollar Tree ones is pretty much the cheapest one because you're just basically paying for this and this, so that's like $2. But whatever scent that you want, that's what the amount that you're really gonna be paying for. But you only have to pay for this one time. All right, y'all, so we just gonna pop this in there like that. Voila. And there you go. This should last you for a good amount. Let me smell this. Oh my God, I can smell it already, y'all. This is so fire. So yeah, that's basically it, y'all. And then you're just gonna plug this in, and when it's all gone, then you can replace it with another one. These Better Home ones, I think these were like $2 and some change, almost $3, which isn't bad. I purchased another one from Walmart, not Walmart, but Bath and Body Works. I have not used that yet, so I may end up doing the same exact thing. But right now, the price of these in Bath and Body Works is a little bit of a difference due to them always having a sale during this time because it's Christmas time. But these were like close to $3. Bath and Body Works is like $3.95. Sometimes they have a sale for like $2.95, but y'all get what I'm saying. You can always come across these for a good price. So yeah, go ahead and have your house smelling magnificent. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in so it can have my room smelling even greater. So yeah, you can replace these all around your house. It doesn't matter where. Just go ahead and have this scent popping. And I'm telling y'all, I don't even have this plugged in yet, and this is smelling so fire. Oh my gosh, it's coming out like straight through. Like I haven't even plugged it in yet. So I think this might be a hit, y'all. Remember, go and get y'all these. Come back and let me know how y'all like it. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.